Hi, my name is Julia Darker. I'm a physiotherapist with Physiotherapy Clinic, which is my own private practicing clinic. And I'm located in Hardy Karen Hardy on Marseille Lane. I studied physiotherapy 21 years ago in Munich, in Germany, where I'm originally from, but I grew up in Kenya. I then, after my degree, spent 10 years working in China, where I had the luxury of working with a lot of sporting events and in big international hospitals and clinics. I worked with the Asian Golf Association, the European Golf Association, the tennis federations, like the women's and the men's tennis federation. So I gained a lot of experience in the sporting world, working with some of the top athletes. I mainly specialize in anything musculoskeletal, so backaches, headaches, shoulder pain, sprained ankles, sporting injuries, and because I'm a mother of 3 children, I have a personal interest in working with people in the gynecology world, so pregnancy-related issues, breastfeeding issues, post-delivery, pre-delivery, and so on. Techniques that I've specialized in over the years include clinical Pilates training. I do a lot of kinesiology taping. I trained the Kenyan Olympic Committee a number of years ago in this technique. So I've worked in the sporting world as well as in the private industry with a lot of the techniques that I'm using at the moment, as well as teaching these techniques. I spend a lot of time in my work mainly trying to educate my patients and teach them what is actually going on with their body, why is it hurting, and what can they themselves also do to try and improve their pain. So unlike some physios, I don't spend the entire session just doing manual work with the client, but showing them and teaching them so that they can take ownership over their pain and over their discomfort and how they can then improve themselves as well. So for me, the number one word I will use a lot of the time is functionality, and I use my techniques, so the soft tissue work, the taping, the flossing, the clinical Pilates training to enhance functionality, because a functioning body will never have pain. So if you're in pain and would like to learn how to get rid of your pain in a functional manner rather than through a passive manner, then this is the place for you.